Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you're all well. Today we're going to be carrying on with our Esp32 modules. Let's walk before we can run. We need to learn all the modules and how they work on the Esp32. Today we're going to be looking at the potentiometer and how we read the voltages of a potentiometer. All right, now let's just show you this. I have already built the circuit. I've already built the circuit just to save us a little bit of time, but I will explain it. The potentiometer, okay, it's got three pins. All right, now we put the potentiometer facing away from us, as in the schematic. The right pin goes to ground, okay. The yellow pin, okay, goes from the middle pin of the potentiometer, and it goes to pin 4. All right, pin 4 on the Esp32. So make sure whatever version you've got, you put it on pin 4. And the left-hand pin goes to 3.3 volts. This is the 3.3 volt component. All right, and now we when we're going to be moving the potentiometer, we're also going to light up an LED. Choose whatever color you want. The long leg of the LED needs to go to your left hand side. The right leg goes to ground. All right, the left leg, the long leg, goes to a 220 ohm resistor. 220 ohm resistor, and the other end of that resistor, I've put it on pin 25 of my Esp32. All right, so that is the schematic. So if you want to stop the video there and put your circuit together, no problem at all. All right, so that's what you need to do. Right, let's go to our Arduino view. All right, first things first, don't forget, file, new sketch if you want a new sketch. All right, make sure that your board's connected here and here. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start up the serial monitor. Okay, and what you need to do is make sure that your baud rate is set to 115/200. Okay, down here. That's why I've moved out the way. All right, let's close this down. Let's close this down for now. All right, so here we go. What we're going to need, we have one variable. Okay, we have one variable. Okay, and that's hashtag define space, and it's our pin underscore analog underscore in. All right, all capitals. All right, and we got our, we're using analog, and it's on pin 4. All right, on pin 4. Now we need to go to our void setup. Goes between these two curly brackets. Things we want to happen only once, and that's our serial dot begin. Brackets on, and it's the same as our baud rate, which is 115/200. All right, come outside the brackets, semicolon. That's all we need in our void setup. Void loop, things we want to happen again and again. Right, in between the curly brackets, enter. Okay, so first thing we want is int, and it's ADC, standing for analog. All right, analog current, val, right, space equals, and it's an analog read, capital R on the read. All right, brackets on, and it's our pin underscore analog underscore in. Come outside the brackets, semicolon, enter. All right. Next, we need our DAC value. DAC value is for our digital value. All right. So it's int, and it's DAC, capital V, small al, space, equals map. All right. We have a thing called map. All right. Map. Okay. And map function is used to convert the value into 8-bit precision. All right, digital value. All right, so it's brackets on, and it's ADC val, capital V on the val, comma, space 0, comma, space 4095, comma, space 0, comma, space 255. All right. Outside the brackets, semicolon, enter. All right. So ADC val, comma, 0, comma, 4095, comma, 0, comma, 255. Now, we have another function called double. All right, double voltage. All right, space equals ADC val, space /, all right, space 4095.0 star, and it's 3.3 volts. That's 3.3. Semicolon, enter. All right, let me just take that space out of there. All right, let's come down a bit so you can all see. So that's our double voltage equals ADC val. All right, now we want to write the DAC values, the digital. So it's the DAC right, capital W on the right. All right, and then it's brackets on, capital DAC 1. All right, comma, space DAC, capital V on the val. All right, come outside the brackets, semicolon, enter. All right, and now we got our serial print. We want to print all this information to the serial monitor. So serial dot print F, brackets on, quotes. Now anything in the quotes, as you know, will get printed. All right, so I want to copy this as best I can without any mistakes. ADC space capital V small al colons space percent D comma space backslash T space. Okay, and then we want the DAC space val, all right, colons, space percent D, all right, comma, space. So we've done the up to the DAC val, yeah, and then it's a backslash T space voltage. Okay, colons space percent dot 2 FV backslash N. Come outside the quotes, comma, space. And then it's ADC, capital VAL, comma, DAC, capital VAL, comma, voltage. Come outside the brackets, semicolon, enter. All right, so that's that. Okay, try and copy that precise. Hopefully it's right. Hopefully it's right. Then we want a delay. And on the Esp32, it's in milliseconds, 200. Come out, semicolon. Okay? Come out and semicolon. Right. Let me just take that space out of there. Tidy it up a bit. Take these spaces out of here. Right. Okay. Looks okay to me. Shall we upload it? Let's see what happens. Let's upload it. Let's upload it. Notice it's compiling a lot quicker with this new PC that I've bought. Okay, yeah, and first time, no mistakes in the code. Okay, uploading. Hopefully it'll start uploading. And yep, we're uploading. We are uploading. Good, good, good. Uploading the code. There you go. So let's start our serial monitor. And there we go. Everything's on 0. Everything's on 0. Okay, I'm just going to turn this to my right, my left. And you can see all the values changing. High as we can go is the analog value 4095, the digital value 255. Okay, 8 bits, that's the most we can have. And our voltage is 3.3 volts. Let's turn it down and we're on 0, 0. Let's have a look at the LED. Okay, I'm turning it up. Turn it up, you can see the LED comes on. Okay, I'm at 4. Turn it down slowly, you can see dimmer, 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 and it's out. So it's all working. It's all working, and that's how we read the voltages of a potentiometer. The digital and the analog voltages. Okay, so I hope you learned something there. I certainly did. I've only done it once before and seems to be working okay. All right, thanks a lot. Please don't forget, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and please comment below if you've got any questions. See you in the next video. Bye bye.